Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Easy Touch in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Now here you can see shortcuts and accessibility. Press on this. Now scroll down. In this option, you'll find here Easy Touch. Press on this. Now you can see here Easy Touch. You just have to turn on this button to enable this. Here is my Easy Touch. Now in the option of double tap, you can choose your tap for your Easy Touch. I'm choosing here a screenshot. Here it is. So this is how to enable Easy Touch in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.